Hi everyone, welcome back to Math with Radha. Today we are going to do measurement and we are going to explore area and perimeter. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to understand what is area and perimeter and then recognize that shapes with the same areas can have different perimeter and vice versa. Perimeter of a shape. So first of all, let's see perimeter of a shape. So let me just first of all tell you what is perimeter and first what is area. So perimeter, let me just first of all tell you the definition of perimeter. The perimeter is the total distance around the outside of a 2D shape. I'm going to explain you later. Okay. Then we have area. Area is the total space taken up by the 2D shape. So if you notice the definition, you will like if you notice something, you will like notice that both area and perimeter both are talking about a 2D shape. Yeah. So what is area? What is area? They are talking that the area is the total space taken up by a 2D shape. Like the area is the total space inside the shape like this. So over here we have a rectangle and the space inside the taken inside the taken by the rectangle is our area. Like the part I'm shading is the area. This is the part which is taken by the uh, uh, shape. So this is the area. But when we talk about perimeter, so perimeter is the total distance around the outside. So they are talking about around and outside. It means they're talking about the outline of the shape. Okay. Like this, the example I would like to give you, like suppose this is a park and you want you want fencing around the park. So if you want a fencing around the park, so in that case you would know the you should know the perimeter of that park. Okay, that what perimeter is. Okay, to find the perimeter of 2D shape, you add the together the length of all the sides. Yeah, like if you want to find the what is perimeter, so what you did is you just need to add all the length, like add up the length of all the sides, like just add 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6, and you will get the perimeter. But there is also a formula to find the perimeter. Okay, the formula is like this, like the formula is 2 into, and then we have brackets and we have length into length plus breadth, like this. So in this what we did is, in this formula, maybe you all know that this is our length and this is our breadth. Yeah, sorry, this is our breadth. So with this, when like our formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So with this, our length is, like suppose here our length is 8. So what we will do in this formula, we will do like 8 plus, then our breadth is 6 to 6. So when we will add 8 plus 6, whatever we get, we need to multiply that with 2. So one so will be 20 each. So this is like a formula, or else you can just add all the sides. Okay. Then we have area of a shape. So if you want to find the area of a shape, there is also a formula which is um, like if you want to find the area, there is like a formula which is length into width, like something like this. Wait, let me just write that down. Length plus length into width. Length into width, like this. So if our length is 8, then we will multiply that breadth, which is our 6. So over here, whatever answer we get that by multiplying that is our area. So this is how you can get area and perimeter. Now we are going to talk about area of a compound shapes, and we will do some questions regarding area and perimeter. Yeah, we will do it later, but okay. area of a compound shape. So over here, let me just tell you what is a compound shape. A compound shape, also known as composite shapes, are the 2D shapes that are made up of numbers of shapes once disconstructed, deconstructed. So these are the shapes which are made by two or more shapes. So over here like this, as you can see this is a compound shape because this is made up of two shapes. One is rectangle, like two rectangles. So this is a compound shape which is made up of two another shapes. Okay, like if you join two shapes, like over here I joined this shape and then this shape, and whatever shape I got, this is a compound shape, like something like this. Okay, then we have to calculate the area of a compound shape. It is useful to deconstruct that, like just separate that, the same we did in our last video. When we have a composite figure, when we need to find the volume, what we did was we just separate that, like this is our compound shape, like yeah. Now if you want to find the area of the shape, just we are going to separate and we are going to just find the area of this shape first and then this shape and then just add that all and we will get the area of this compound shape. Then we have which shape is larger, which shape's perimeter is larger. So let's just solve this question. Okay, so they're saying that look at the rectangle and the square. Look at the rectangle and the square and calculate their perimeter. They both have the same area, but which shape perimeter is larger? So let's just solve this. So for this, the formula of the perimeter was 2 into length plus breadth. So let's just do that. So over here we have 2, um, let's just solve this. 2 into, we have over here length of 12 plus 3. So when we solve it, like when we add 12 plus 3, we will get 15. And when we multiply 15 with 2, we will get, like, let me just write it. When we multiply 15 with 2, we will get 30. So what we are going to do is we are going to write here 30. Okay. Then we have here we need to find the perimeter of this square. Okay, so let's just do that. So we're here. Okay, so now if you're getting confused with the formula, what can you do is just like, see, if this is 6, so this should be also 6. If this is 6, so this should be also 6, because this is a square, so squares all sides are equal, yeah. So when we add all this 6, this will like take a little more time. So there is a different formula to find the perimeter of a square, which is 4 into side. Okay, which means that 4 into sides means 4 into our, like, one side is 6, so when we multiply 4 into 6 we will get 24. It means the perimeter for one figure is 24 and perimeter for this rectangle is 30, so it means the perimeter of this rectangle is bigger. Yeah, so this is what it is. Yeah, get the right one. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Which shape's area is larger? So in this we are going to find the shape's area. So let's just do that. So over here, as I told you, there is a formula for area, which is length into breadth. So over here we have the length of 6 and we have breadth of 10. When we multiply this, we will get 60. And over here we have the length of 12, um, and we have the breadth of 4. And when we multiply that, we will get 48. So the greater one we have is this one. This shape has the greater area. Yeah, so let's go on the next one. And yeah, this is the answer. Okay, let's see. Let Next we have the recap. Let's recap. The area is the total space that is 2D shape takes up, and the perimeter is the total distance around the outside of a 2D shape. 2D shape can have the same area but different perimeter. 2D shape can have the different perimeter but the same area. Okay, and then I'm also going to tell you what is the formula of area and perimeter so that you will not get confused. So the formula for uh, perimeter, if you want to find the perimeter of a rectangle, which is I don't know where should I write that, and I will also write the formula in the description, so you can also watch from there. And that's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment, and hit the bell icon for more math videos. And if you have any question, comment me down. I'm definitely going to answer that. And okay, bye bye. Tada.